Science with mini fireworks in a jar. Materials: clear glass jar or bottle, warm water, vegetable oil, food coloring, multiple colors, small bowl, spoon or fork. Steps: fill the jar about 3/4 full with warm water. 2. In a separate bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 3. Drop in 2 to 3 drops of each food coloring color. 4. Gently stir the oil to break up the drops, don't overmix. 5. Slowly pour the oil mixture into the jar of water. 6. Watch as the food coloring sinks and bursts into colorful trails, like fireworks. Predict what will happen. Describe what you see. Name the colors and shapes. Ask questions like, why does it float? Or, can I mix more colors? Try variations, cold water, different oils, more drops.